Our problem number 1. In a bookstore, Jen makes 1,000 a week for working part-time. This week, she receives 1,100. She asks herself the following. Is there an increase in my salary for this week? If there is an increase in my salary, how much is it? What is the percent of change in my salary? So today we will be discussing about solving percent problems such as increase, decrease, solving percent problems such as discounts, original price, rate of discount, sales price, markup price, and then sa letter C, solving story problems such as commission sales, tax, and simple interest. So let's start with the letter A. Solving percent problems such as increase, decrease. Let's have this problem number 1. So for our problem number 1, in a bookstore, Jen makes 1,000 a week for working part-time. This week, she receives 1,100. She asks herself the following. Is there an increase in my salary for this week? If there is an increase in my salary, how much is it? What is the percent of change in my salary? Let's have the question here. Is there an increase in Jen's salary for this week? So, dun pa lang sa problem, kita nyo na merong pagbabago doon sa salary ni Jen. Kasi a week, nagsasahod lang siya ng 1,000. This week daw, she received 1,100. So, dun pa lang may makikita na kayo na merong nag-increase or nag-increase yung salary ni Jen. To find out, check for the given facts. Jen makes 1,000 a week, but this week she received 1,100. If we compare Jen's pay in a week to the pay she received this week, we can say that there is an increase in her salary. B, if there is an increase in my salary, how much is it? To find out the increase in Jen's salary, subtract it. Just subtract her salary this week to her weekly pay. So 1,100, yung salary niya this week, minus 1,000 yung salary niya weekly. Kaya ang makukuha natin dito ay 100. So, the increase in Jen's salary is 100 pesos. Sinubtract lang natin para makuha natin 100. Yun yung tinaas ng kanyang salary. Now, what is the percent of change in salary? Ito yung pag-aaral natin dito, yung percent of change. Kung ilang percent ba yung tinaas ng kanyang salary. Yung 100 pesos, kung ilang percent yon ng pagbabago sa kanyang salary. Sabi dito, a percent of change indicates how much a quantity increases or decreases with respect to the original amount. So ano ba yung percent of change? Yung pagbabago. Ilang percent daw ba yung nagbago sa kanyang salary? The percent of increase in Jen's salary is 10%. Paano nakuha yung 10%? Ganito yung ating formula. So the formula will be percent of change equals amount of increase or decrease over original amount. This will be the formula to get the percent of change. Kapag ka over, ibig sabihin ng di-divide natin sila. So what are the given facts on the question? Amount of increase is equals to 100 and then yung original amount niya is 1,000. Isa-substitute lang natin yung mga yan dito sa ating formula. So that's gonna be percent of change is equals, again, amount of increase 100 and then yung ating original amount is 1,000 kanina. Percent of change is equals to 0.1. Bakit naging 0.1? Kapag dinivide mo yung 100 sa 1,000, na makukuha natin ay 0.1 times 100 is equals to 10. Nakita mo dito sa may gilid dito, write decimal as a percent. 10%. Percent of increase na is 10%. 10% yung kanyang itinaas. Sa problem number 2 natin, Jenny went to department store to avail of low price items that are on sale. A dress that was originally sold at 200 each is tagged as 20% off. She asked herself the following. What is the 20% of 200? Is there deduction in the original price of the dress? If there's a deduction, by how much? What is the percent of change in the price of the dress? How much is the new price of the dress? So, sasagutan natin ito isa-isa. So, for question letter A, What is the 20% of 200? First, change the percent to decimal. 20 divided by 100 is equal 0.20. Pag mag-change kayo ng decimal, i-divide lang sa 100, or yung decimal point niya, i-move nyo lang to the left. Halimbawa, may tuldok dito sa 20, after ng 0, so move lang tayo 2 moves to the left. So 1, 2, kaya siya naging 0.20. Na-change na natin yung 20% sa decimal, multiply na natin. Multiply 0.20 by 200 pesos. Kapag multiply natin yan, ang makukuha nating sagot ay 40 pesos. So sa question letter B na tayo. Is there a deduction in the original price of the dress? Meron bang deduction or meron bang bawas? The word of means you deduct to the original price. Meaning to say, there will be a decrease in the original price of the dress. So kapag sinabing off, yung isang bagay or 20% off, ibig sabihin nun ay decrease. May nakalagay na off, ibig sabihin merong deduction yun. If there's a deduction, by how much? Ito yung kaninang kinuha natin. We're going to use the 20% of 200 as a reference. The amount of deduction or decrease will be 40 pesos. Ang original price ay 200, meron doon mali-less na 40 pesos. What is the percent of change in the price of the dress? Gamitin natin ulit yung formula kanina. Amount of decrease is equals to 40 pesos. Original amount is equals to 200 pesos. So, formula natin kanina, percent of change is equals to the amount of decrease over original amount. Ang ating amount of decrease ay 40 pesos over the original amount of 200 pesos. Di-divide lang natin yung dalawa. 40 divided by 200 is equals to 0.2. Yung 0.2 na yan, gagawin lang natin siyang percent. Kasi naka-written siya as decimal form. Para magawa natin yun, multiply natin siya by 100. 0.2 times 100 is equals to 20%. Ang ating percent of decrease doon sa damit ay 20%. Understood? How much is the new price of the dress? So sa palagay nyo, kung may decrease ng 40 pesos yung dress, magkano na yung dress niyan? Magkano na yung bagong price ng dress?
160 pesos po.
Let's see if this is 160 pesos. Minus lang natin yung original price ng damit sa na less ng 40 pesos. Sagot natin dito ay 160 pesos. Therefore, the new price of the dress is 160 and that is with 20% off. So punta na tayo sa letter B na lesson. So sa letter B na lesson, we will be solving percent problems such as discount, original price, rate of discount, sales price, rate of discount, sales price, markup price. Meron tayo ditong store, sports store. Yung value or yung price daw ng ating soccer ball na small ay 75. Pero may discount siya ng 5% off. Yung ating medium soccer ball, meron tayong 200 na price and then 7% yung kanyang off. Yung ating large ball, 2,000 ang kanyang price and then merong 20% off. Ang ating volleyball, meron tayong large and meron tayong value dito na 1,250 pesos pero meron siyang 10% off. So dito, si Aling Nena discounted the available balls in her store. If you want to buy each ball, how much will you pay for it? So dito daw si Aling Nena ay meron siyang mga discounted na balls. Kung bibilin mo daw yung each ball, magkano daw yung babayaran mo with the discounted price yun? Ito yung mga questions natin. How much is the discount of the volleyball? Or how about the large soccer ball? How much is the sale price of the small soccer ball? How much is the total sales if you buy all the balls with discount? Sagutan muna natin yung letter A. Okay. How much is the discount of the volleyball? In finding the discount, you multiply the discounted rate by the original price. Ano ba yung original price natin? Taas lang na mamaya. Ano yung original?
1,250 po.
Okay, 1,250, that's the original price of the volleyball. Mumultiply lang daw natin siya sa discounted rate. Ano yung discounted rate natin dito sa given problem natin?
10% off.
Okay. So, yun lang, multiply lang natin siya. But, to make sure, we have to use this formula. So, discount or D is equals to discount rate times the original price. So, sasubstitute lang natin yung mga value na yan dito sa ating formula. By the way, again, since yung ating rate, nakasulat siya ng percent, gagawin ulit natin siyang decimal. So, para magawa yun, divide nyo ulit sa 100. Ang ating decimal form ng 10% ay 0.10. Multiply lang natin siya sa original price. So, discount is equals to 0.10 times 1,250. That's the original price. Pag minultiply nyo yan, ang makukuha nating sagot ay 125 pesos. So, 125 is the discount price of the valuable.
Opo.
So, kung 125 price yung discount ng valuable,
Opo.
magkano na lang yung price ng valuable niyan? Ganyan. Magkano yung sale price ng valuable niyan? Kung 125 yung discount, mag-discount mo sa kanya. Ano ba yung
1,125.
Okay, 1,125. That's the new price or that's the sale price of the valuable. Paano natin siya nakuha? Kasi sinubtract lang natin. Yung na-discount mo. Understood?
Opo.
Okay,
Opo.
Okay, so punta tayo sa letter B. How about the large soccer ball? Again, in finding the discount, we have to use this formula. Discount is equals to discount rate times the original price. What are the given facts? Discounted rate, 20%. The original price is 2,000 pesos. Huwag niyong kakalimutan na change the percent to decimal, 0.20. And then multiply 0.20 by 2,000. So 0.20 times 2,000 is equals to 400 pesos. So 400 pesos is the discount price of the large soccer ball. So kung 2,000 yung price ng ating large soccer ball, naka-less ka ng 400 pesos because that's the discounted price. Ma-minus mo lang yon, 2,000 minus 400. Ang ating sales price ng large soccer ball is 1,600. Okay, very good. So that's gonna be 1,600. That's the sale price of the large soccer ball. How much is the sale price of small soccer ball? To find the sale price, subtract the original price to discount price. Ito yung ating formula na gagamitin. Sales price equals original price minus discount. SP equals OP minus D. So that will be our formula. So ano ba yung mga given facts natin? Ang discounted rate natin ay 5%. Nasaan ba yung natin dito? Small soccer ball. This is the small soccer ball natin, right? So this is 5% off. Ayun o, discount rate. The original price is 75. Pero ano yung price ng discount natin? Hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung value ng ating discount. Which is the formula natin nakalagay dito. Kailangan alam natin yung value kasi kailangan natin masubstitute dito sa formula natin. So, we have to find the discount first. Gamitin natin yung formula ng discount. So, in finding the discount, again, so the formula of the discount kanina yan, again, convert lang natin ang ating percent to decimal. So, that's gonna be 5% is equals to 0.05. Then, multiply natin 0.05 by 75 pesos. 0.05 times 75 is equals to 3.75 pesos. Therefore, 3.75 is the discounted price of the large soccer ball. Alam na natin yung value ng discount natin. That's gonna be 3.75. So, balik na tayo doon sa sale price niya. Apply the sale price formula. Ito na yung sale price formula natin. Ano ba yung original price natin? Ang original price natin ay 75 at yung discount ay
3.75.
3.75. So, sale price is equals 75 pesos minus 3.75 pesos. Meron tayong sagot na
71.25.
71.25 pesos. Therefore, the sale price is 71.25 pesos. Ang na-discount mo ay 3.75. Ang sale price niya ngayon, from 75 pesos, naging 71.25 na lang siya. So, nakatipid ka ng 3.75 pesos. Discount meaning kung magkano yung matitipid mo or kung magkano yung mababawas sa'yo doon sa binibili mong item. Okay, sasabihin na tayo. How much is the total sales if you buy all the balls with discount? Magkano daw ba yung total sales or yung total value or total price kung bibilin mo yung lahat ng bola? Magkano? Sa palagay niyo magkano? Ano yung gagawin natin dito para malaman natin ang sagot doon? To find the total sales of the balls, find the sale price of each ball first in respect to their given discount rate. So, hanapin natin yung sale price nila. Ngayon, kapag hindi mo alam yung sale price nila, balik ka muna kung magkano yung discount mo sa bawat balls. So, halimbawa, na-solve nyo na. Na-solve nyo na yung problem na to. Na-solve nyo na lahat ng discount. Na-solve nyo na lahat ng sale price. Diba? Halimbawa, meron na kayong value. Kinumpute nyo na lahat. So, ito yung ating sagot. Small soccer ball, meron tayong na-discount na 3.75. Meron tayong sale price na 71.25. Ngayon, sa medium soccer ball, meron tayong price na 4. Actually, ito lang pala hindi natin nakuha, no? Yung medium soccer ball. Kasi itong small soccer ball, nakuha natin to ng example letter C. Yung large volleyball, nakuha natin ng example letter A. Yung soccer ball, nakuha natin siya nung example letter B. So, ito lang pala hanapin natin dito, yung medium soccer ball. So, sa medium soccer ball, meron tayong 14 pesos na na-discount. So, minus lang natin 200, the original price, minus 14, kaya natin nakuha yung sales price ng 186. So, sa ating large soccer ball, meron tayong 20% off. The original price is 200. Naka-discount tayo ng 400. So, 2,000 minus 400, sales price niya ay 1,600. Doon sa may large volleyball natin, meron tayong 1,250 original price. Discount rate niya is 10%. And then the discount is 125. 1,250 minus 125, the sales price will be 1,125. Now, sabi dito sa, balikan natin ng tanong, how much is the total sales if you buy all the balls with discount? Anong gagawin natin dito? Para makuha yun, palagay nyo. Para makuha yung total sales, how much gagawin?
Add.
I-add.
Addition
Ano
po.
i-add natin?
Add.
Okay, total. Total sales
Sale
daw eh.
price. Sale price.
Okay, yung total sale
Sale
price, ipag-add natin silang lahat. So, kapag pinag-add natin yan, total sales is equal 71.25 for the small soccer ball, plus 186, the medium soccer ball, plus 1,600, the large soccer ball, plus 1,125, the large volleyball. So, that's gonna be 2,982.25. And this is with the discounted price. Lahat ng bola dito ay 2,982.25. And that is with the discounted price. Understood?
Opo.
Okay.
Opo.
Now, punta na tayo doon sa ating letter C, solving story problems such as commission, sales, tax, and simple interest. First, let's discuss the meaning of commissions, sales tax, and simple interest. Commission, ibig sabihin, is the amount of money a person receive for selling something. Yung commission daw, ito yung amount ng money or yung pera na makukuha ng isang tao kapag nakapabenta siya. Sales tax, the purchase someone buys goods or subject to sales tax is known as the VAT. value added tax. So lahat ng binibili natin like goods, like yung mga products, meron siyang value added tax. Sa simple interest naman, it is an amount of money earned for using
Another's.
money over a period of time. So sa ating sabi dito sa interest, ito yung amount ng money mo na ma-earn by halimbawa sa bangko. Habang tumatagal yung pera mo sa bangko, lalo yung nag-earn, lalo siyang tumataas. Now, did you know that when you buy goods or items in the supermarket, restaurant, or fast food chains, you are subject to sales tax. Kahit kumain lang ka sa restaurant, may mga tax yan. Meron siyang value-added tax. Let's see in the problem how much a salesman earn in a commission. So, pag-aralan mo natin dito yung commission. Let's just focus first on the commission. So, sabi dito sa ating problem, Mr. Cruz, a salesman, sells a laptop for 21,500 and received a 10% commission on the laptop that he sells. What is his commission if he sold a laptop? Doon sa may 21,500 na yon, meron siyang 10%. Yung 10% na yon mapupunta sa kanya, marireceive niya. Ito yung ating formula sa commission. Commission is equals total sales,
Times
the commission rate. Ano ba yung total sales ng ating laptop dito bago tayo mag-proceed sa next step? So yung total sales natin dito is 21,500 and then yung commission rate natin is 10%. Ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute lang natin yan. So these are the given facts. Total sales is equals 21,500. The commission rate is 10%. Next step, again, don't forget this. Change percent to decimal first before using the formula. Third step, ayan, na-change na natin. Dinivide natin siya sa 100, 0.1. Use the formula. Commission equals total sales times commission rate. Ito na yung ating solution or yung substitution natin doon sa mga given value natin. Commission is equals, magkano yung total sales natin? 21,500 times the commission rate. This is converted by decimal form already. So 21,500 times 0.1 is equals to 2,150. So, mapupunta kay Mr. Cruz ay 2,150 out of 21,500 na total sales ng laptop. Kanina commission yung pinag-aralan natin, ngayon naman punta na tayo sa sales tax. Sabi dito sa ating problem, a group of grade 6 pupils ate in a food restaurant. If their orders total to 1,064 with a tax of 12%, how much is the sales tax? Though grupo ng grade 6 ay kumain sila sa restaurant. Ngayon, ang kanilang total order price ay 1,064. Meron tax yon na 12%. Kano daw ba yung sales tax na yon? Ito yung gagamitin nating formula. Sales tax is equals to total amount of the products times rate of sales tax. Substitute na natin siya. The problem asks, how much is the sales tax? The total amount of products is equals to 1,064. The rate of the sales tax is 12%. Now, na-change na natin siya sa decimal. So that's gonna be 0.12. So this is the decimal. Now, gamitin natin yung formula. Sales tax is equals to yung total amount ng products ay 1,064 pesos times 0.12. That's the decimal form. So sales tax is equals to 127.68. Tapos na tayo sa commission. Tapos na rin tayo sa sales tax. Let's go sa interest or sa simple interest. Simple interest lang tayo muna. Jolina opens a saving account in BDO where money earns 1.5% interest per year. If she has 4,500 in her account, how much interest will the money earn in 1 year? So sa interest, meron tayong different formula. But the operation that we will be using in this formula, usually multiplication lang din. So tagalogin natin ang question. Na daw ay nag-open ng kanyang BDO account. Meron siyang 4,500 pesos. How much daw ba yung kanyang tutubuin or yung ma-earn niya na money or na interest kung kanyang pera ay nandoon sa bangko lang ng 1 year? Yung 4,500 niya, magkano yung itutubo nun sa loob ng isang taon na merong 1.5% interest rate? So para malaman natin yan, ito yung gagamitin nating formula. Interest is equals to principal times rate of interest times time. Or I is equals to P times R times T. Yung principal na to, ito yung pinaka-original na pinasok mo sa bangko. Or yung pinaka-kabuuan. Yung principal ha. Yung rate of interest, pag may nakita kayo, rate of interest, ito yung percent. Meron associated siya with a percent symbol. And yung time, syempre makikita naman natin dito kung 1 year ba siya, 1 month ba siya, yun. Understood?
Apa.
How much interest will the money earn in 1 year? That is the question. So note that the interest is the amount of money earned for using another's money over a period of time. Again, this will be the formula. So what are the given facts? So the principal, yung kabuang pera niya ay 4,500. Rate of interest is 1.5%. Ilang taon ba yon? Isang taon. So that's gonna be time is equals to 1 year. Ngayon, sabi ko sa inyo, gagamitin nyo lang yung formula. So, huwag nyo kakalimutan to every time ha. Change the percent to decimal. Ano yung percent ng natin ng 1.5? So, formula ng interest. So, interest is equals to 4,500.
0.015 times 1.
Yung 4,500 ito yung principal. 0.015 rate of interest. And then, yung time natin times 1. Pag minultiply nyo to, ang ating magiging sagot ay 67.50. Understood? So, yung kanyang pera, tumubo ng 67.50 pesos in 1 year.
Po.
Sagutan nyo na yung module nyo. Yun na lang kung may gusto kayong balikan. Kung meron kayong hindi naiintindihan, panoorin nyo na lang yung video. Okay? Bye-bye na. Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.